On a sunny Saturday morning, 10-year-old Lily eagerly entered the kitchen where her mother, Clara, was setting up for their baking session. Lily loved cookies but had never baked before. Today, Clara promised to teach her. Clara, wearing a flour-dusted apron, showed Lily how to measure out the ingredients. "First, we cream the butter and sugar," Clara said, turning on the mixer. Lily's first attempt was messy, with sugar flying and butter splattering. They both laughed, and Clara gently guided Lily's hands to get it right. As Clara demonstrated how to mix the flour, baking soda, and salt, she shared stories of how her own mother had taught her to bake, creating a sense of tradition. Lily listened intently, her curiosity growing with each tale. When it was time to crack the eggs, Lily's first attempt resulted in a bit of eggshell falling into the bowl. Clara calmly showed her how to remove it and cracked another egg herself. "It's okay to make mistakes," Clara said with a warm smile. "That's how we learn." With the dough mixed and chocolate chips folded in, they scooped spoonfuls onto a baking sheet. Lily marveled at the chunks of chocolate embedded in the dough and carefully placed them in the preheated oven. Clara set the timer with a dramatic flourish, and they waited as the kitchen filled with the sweet aroma of baking cookies. As the cookies baked, Lily and Clara sat at the kitchen table, chatting about their week. When the timer dinged, Clara carefully removed the golden brown cookies from the oven.